Sagittarius men are a forgiving bunch, but they won't bother with someone who appears to be a fraud. A Sagittarius man has a keen sense of deception. So be careful not to try to be someone you think he desires rather than yourself. There isn't any one type of Sagittarius man. They want women with a wide range of personalities, so there's no need to strive to fit into his mold. Allow him to see the real you, flaws and all, and you'll stand out as someone unique, which will make his heart race. 1. Enter into a conversation with him and captivate him. A decent discussion companion is essential for the chatty Sagittarius man. He'll gladly chat for hours on a topic he's passionate about. He enjoys educating others, but he wants you to participate. Contribute to the discussion by sharing your own expertise and experiences. If you don't know the answer, think about it out loud. He enjoys delving into problems for which there are no easy answers because of his sign rules mentality. Being both interested and fascinating to chat to is a terrific method to catch the attention of a Sagittarius man. Showing him that your relationship material is just as vital. Because, even in a long-term relationship, he'll desire that mental stimulation from you every day. 2. Allow him to pursue his own interests. And you thought Scorpios had to have their own space? Sagittarius is as self-reliant as they come. Whatever his feelings for you are, he will continue to do things on his own, just as he did before he met you. But it doesn't mean he won't think of you. You must be secure enough to grant a Sagittarius man his freedom in order to gain his love. If he says he'll run some errands before seeing you and then disappears for half the day, don't panic and start contacting him regularly. Neediness makes a free-spirited Sagittarius man feel as if the walls are closing in on him. If you don't want to make a mistake, use a guide like Sagittarius Man's Secrets to view through his eyes. 3. Make yourself a social queen. While you don't have to be outgoing to win a Sagittarius man's heart, there's something alluring about a woman who can command a room with her charisma alone. Sagittarius men might be introverts or extroverts, but they enjoy entertaining others when they're around them. As a result, a woman who can entertain them will win them over. However, many Sagittarius men are extroverts who enjoy socializing. In this situation, you should put on your party attire and join them on their outing. 4. Removing drama from the equation. The Sagittarius guy sees the bright side of life, and while this may occasionally blind him to the darker side, what matters to him is having a wonderful time all day, every day. Over time, he'll realize that other things require his attention as well, but it's better to avoid controversy when dating a Sagittarius man. Avoid clashes and confrontations by discussing disagreements rationally and, whenever feasible, with humor. You can also assist him further by demonstrating how you are the ultimate retreat from the drama and annoyance he encounters everywhere in life. You can make a Sagittarius fall in love with you by cheering him up when he is confronted with the dark, serious aspects of life that he despises. A Sagittarius guy enjoys the finer things in life, and the better you can make things for him, the more likely he will remain loyal to you. 5. Be amusing. The Sagittarius man values a good sense of humor. He'll make you laugh out loud because he's so funny, and he enjoys a good chuckle himself. Laughter, it may be said, is the way to a Sagittarius man's heart. He enjoys a good joke, but he also enjoys playing with words. He enjoys delicate humor, yet he may be amused by crass comedy as well. The Sagittarius man would laugh at anything as long as it is amusing. So be humorous and intelligent, and avoid taking yourself too seriously. Maintain a light tone, keep the comedy flowing, and put a grin on your Sagittarius man's face whenever possible.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share it with others, and subscribe for more dating tips videos like this. Do you have any dating tips I might have left out? Please post them in the comment section below.